How to perform leak tests on your TAC H2S Analyzer. To begin, remove the bug filters from sensor vent 1, sensor vent 2, and the sample vent from the bottom of the cabinet using a 9/16 wrench. Next, observe the main screen of the analyzer's display. Press the sensor status button, then check sensor 1 on the left and sensor 2 on the right. We've placed a sample analyzer on its side for better visibility. Once both sensors enter clearing mode, firmly press your finger over the sample vent bulkhead. This should cause the black ball on the left flow meter to drop completely. Release your finger and the ball should rise back to 0.5. To perform a complete leak test, repeat these steps for all three vents: sensor 1, sensor 2, and the sample vent. All three must pass the leak test. For example, when sensor 1 or sensor 2 are in the sample cycle, cover the sensor vent bulkhead that correlates with the sensor in the cycle with your finger. For example, sensor 1 in sample covers sensor vent 1. Watch the flow meter ball drop. If the ball drops, there are no leaks and the test is complete. Finally, reinstall the bug filters on each vent bulkhead. Note, if the leak test fails, check the tubing for leaks and make sure the valves are switching properly. If you have any further questions, please contact TAC at 281-240-4160